racing just is started. Hockey Hawk break quickly at the start. There was a spill. Jackie Baldelema left unseated on Security General. Passing by the judge stand for the first time. We have Hockey Hawk by about 3/4 of a length lead. And in second is Sailing Queen. Down on the inside is Right Choices. Mangaro comes next, then followed over by Forever Young. Cool Yellow, then next online is Faragut's Order, and on the outside is Favorite Chanel, then followed over now by entry number 3, and this one is Mr. Lindros, and as they swing down the back, we have Hockey Hawk by about 4 lengths. Sailing Queen in second. Mangaro is down in third. Moving up, Paragood's Order. Then next online, Forever Young. Favorite Chanel is on the outside. Down on the inside now is entry number 1. And this one is Cool Tello. Then next online is Mr. Lindros. Right Choices. You Belong to Me. Sweet Julian racing second last. While Mokay now racing in last. Last 400 meters of the race. We have Paragoods Order now takes command. Hockey Hawk draws back in second. And as they swing for home, Paragoods Order with a breakaway run by a length and a half. Hockey Hawk in second. Favorite Chanel is down in third. Last 100 meters, Paragoods Order followed by Hockey Hawk on the outside once again. But it's still Paragoods Order. Hockey Hawk, Favorite Chanel, Forever Young, Cool Yellow, and You Belong to Me.
Akala ko mababalikan pa ni Hockey Hawk.
Oo nga.